Good morning. The amazing level of interest in this summit testifies to the concern about food and nutrition that has exploded across the world and on college campuses across the country. 5 years ago, after a small salon held at Stevens in my home on campus to examine the pressing issues of food and nutrition policy, I asked myself, what are we doing here at GW to address these issues? The Urban Food Task Force was formed to help answer that question. We spent the first year identifying students and faculty who were interested and who were teaching courses or doing research in food and nutrition. Since then, there's been a groundswell of interest and involvement on campus. 3 years ago, the renowned chef Jose Andres launched a course entitled World on a Plate that brought to our campus experts in topics ranging from food history and food sources, sciences, to economics of agriculture. At the same time, our Office of Research began providing seed grants to faculty members proposing cross-disciplinary projects on food and nutrition. The Milken Institute School of Public Health now offers a degree in public health nutrition. This fall, we launched the Sumner M. Redstone Global Center for Prevention and Wellness, with a focus including obesity that is directed by world-renowned Bill Dietz. We have faculty now in health sciences, exercise science, global health, prevention, community health, environmental health, health policy, epidemiology, and biostatistics, as well as in business, law, the humanities, anthropology, sociology, geography, and biology, who teach and conduct research on the ways food and nutrition intersect with their field of expertise. Meanwhile, through a student organization called the Food Justice Alliance, GW students maintain a community garden whose produce goes to a local food kitchen. Growing numbers of medical students provide nutrition education to the community, and students who participate in our alternative spring breaks have the option of working on an organic farm in Puerto Rico or at World Central Kitchen's Clean Cook Stove project in Haiti. We celebrate Food Day not only with great speakers on campus, but also by giving away fresh produce at a pop-up market in areas of DC with limited access to groceries. We've partnered with Fresh Fields both to support local farmers and to provide our students greater access to fresh produce. And we've provided the same access to medical patients through our partnership with Wholesome Wave. Our School of Media and Public Affairs has been involved through the work of its director, renowned journalist Frank Cesno, in producing a series of programs and events under the general rubric of Feeding the Planet. Finally, GW is one of 19 universities to sign on to the Partnership for Healthier America, Healthier Campus Initiative, and has initiated our own Healthy GW program to address a wide variety of topics, including eating well. To further our work in food and nutrition, last fall, GW launched a Food Institute, with our next speaker as its founding director. Dr. Kathleen Merrigan is well known to you all. As Deputy Secretary and Chief Operating Officer of the U.S. Department of Agriculture, she created the Know Your Farmer, Know Your Food campaign. She helped create the Let's Move campaign and chaired the United Nations Ministerial Conference of the Food and Agriculture Organization. Kathleen has held a variety of agricultural policy positions and has been actively involved in one way or the other in so many of the initiatives we know, including the National Standards for Organic Foods, Dietary Guidelines, and Nutrition Labeling. Before coming to GW, Kathleen was on the faculty at the Friedman School of Nutrition Sciences and Policies at Tufts University. She received her PhD in Environmental Planning and Policy from MIT, a Master's in Public Affairs from the University of Texas, and a Bachelor's of Arts from Williams College. Here at GW, she serves as the Executive Director of Sustainability, Professor of Public Policy, and the Director of our newly formed Food Institute. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Kathleen Merrigan.